Wahala for man wey wife turn pastor to Almighty God. Matters arising from my compound. Oga wey drop money yesterday for soup. Hunger still dey flog am like Pharaoh flog the Israelites because madam don divert meat and egg go daddy in the Lord breakfast table. Every day before cock crow, na daddy good morning sir, how was your night? But her husband never see common good morning. Bible talk say, wives submit unto your husband as you submit unto the Lord. Ephesians 5:22. E no talk say submit unto your pastor before your husband. If na so e easy, make pastor leave pulpit come dey pay school fees and house rent. My sister, to honor pastor well good o, but no use your own husband take dey do scapegoat sacrifice for pastor. Even Bible talk say charity begins at home. Na home you suppose dey water before you carry bucket go dey pour another man garden. My sister, no turn your marriage into Acts of the Apostle wey na only signs and wonders, because the only miracle your husband dey see now na say im dey drop money and still dey chop hungry. Make una drop una comment or una mind for comment section. Una think say women dey over carry their pastor for head pass their husband and family? My brother man and sister woman, una do